Non-communicable disease. Non-communicable disease, NCDs, also known as chronic disease, tend to be of long duration and are the result of combination of genetic, physiological, environmental, and behaviors factors. The main types of NCDs are cardiovascular disease like heart attack and stroke, cancer, chronic respiration disease such as chronic obstructive pulmonary disease and asthma, and diabetes. NCDs disproportionately affect people in low and middle income countries where more than 3/4 of global NCD deaths, 32 million, occur. Who is at risk of such disease? People of all age group, regions, and countries are affected by NCDs. These conditions are often associated with older age group, but evidence shows that 15 million of all deaths attributed to NCDs occur between the age of 13 and 69 years. Of these premature deaths, over 85% are estimated to occur in low and middle income countries. Children, adults, and the elderly are all vulnerable to the risk factor contributing to NCDs, whether from unhealthy diets, physical inactivity, exposure to tobacco smoke, or the harmful use of alcohol. These diseases are driven by forces that include rapid unplanned urbanization, globalization of unhealthy lifestyles, and population aging. Unhealthy diets and a lack of physical activity might show up in people as raised blood pressure, increased blood glucose, elevated blood lipids, and obesity. There are clear metabolic risk factors that can lead to cardiovascular disease, the leading NCD in terms of premature deaths. Prevention and control of NCDs. An important way to control NCDs is to focus on reducing the risk factor associated with this disease. Low-cost solution exist for governments and other stakeholders to reduce the common modifiable risk factor. Monitoring progress and trends of NCDs and their rise is important for guiding policy and priorities. To lessen the impact of NCDs on individuals and society, a comprehensive approach is needed, requiring all sectors, including health, finance, transport, education, agriculture, planning, and others, to collaborate to reduce the risks associated with NCDs and promote interventions to prevent and control them. Investing in better management of NCDs is critical. Management of NCDs includes detecting, screening, and treating this disease and providing access to palliative care for people in need. High-impact essential NCD intervention can be delivered through a primary healthcare approach to strengthen early detection and timely treatment. Evidence shows such intervention and excellent economic investments because if provided early to patients, they can reduce the need for more expensive treatment.